Hey guys, morning. It's a very rushed morning. Like I've been up since 7 o'clock or something. Like slept about 1, so about 6 hours of sleep, and I've been doing something on the phone. Then initially I thought I'll skip the yoga class at 8:30, but then since I woke up and I couldn't sleep, I hit the yoga class. I had black coffee and I hit the yoga class, and after that I did the dance class. Both classes I felt like skipping because I was so sleepy. I thought I'll leave in the middle of the show, but I don't fucking leave, right? I'm not a quitter. I don't quit things which I must do that I love doing otherwise just because I'm fucking sleepy, right? So I did that, and after that, so that was that, and I went to McDonald's for breakfast because when I come in the morning for breakfast I have time, so I'd scheduled that I'll have a morning breakfast. Then I'm not gonna have anything till 3 or 4 o'clock. I'll not have anything for a long while. So that happened, and now I got my body hair done because that was pending for 45 days because my tattoos were 12th of May, so 45 days I couldn't get it done, so I'd become like a bush. So I got that done now. So it's been a productive morning so far. Now I'm going to rush back because I have to head to reach for the podcast at 1. So 1 to 3 is the podcast. I also have some administrative stuff to attend to. In the meantime, yeah, there's some bullshit happening, so that needs to be attended to, so I'll do that in the meantime. And then 1 to 3 is the podcast. After that, 5 o'clock I have a meeting, and after that, that's Papa is also coming in that, and after that there's shows in the evening, so I mean there'll be some stuff in the middle, but largely that. So try to be happy, okay? Hey guys, wow, it's about 4 p.m. now, and I am in DLF phase 1. I had a podcast scheduled from 1 to 3. It went well. They said it'll last about 2 hours, but there were 2 recordings for about 19 minutes each, so lasted about 1 hour, less than 1 hour. So I got done with that, and then some administrative calls to attend to, which I did right now. I'm wondering what to do because there was supposed to be a meeting at 5 o'clock, and that has been cancelled because the guy I was supposed to meet has fallen sick, so he's in hospital. So I don't know the fuck gone wrong with him, but so I'm just so my schedule's gone a bit topsy-turvy. It's 4 o'clock almost, and I'm wondering what to do because my shows tonight are at okay, there's only one show tonight. It was supposed to be 2 shows, 8 and 10, but the fuck just happened? Like every time I try to record a video, somebody calls me. Like I had to disconnect the call. So there's supposed to be 2 shows, there's only 1 show right now. Let me take this call. Hey guys, it's been a rather weird day. I mean, after the podcast I was supposed to have a meeting at 5 o'clock. So I had a time window between 3 and 5. I made some calls. I got done by 4, but then I had nothing to do. And then there was supposed to be 2 shows starting 8 o'clock. Now 8 and 10 there were 2 shows, and one of the shows is done. Now both the shows have been changed to only 1 show at 9. So it's kind of like fucked up, right? So 4 to 9 I had a 5 fucking hour window. I don't know why people are shouting around. I had a 5-hour window, and so from 4 I then, after making the calls, I came to Galleria. I walked a bit, and then I read a bit now. I spent about 1.5 hours reading Thinking Fast and Slow. It's a very difficult book to read. Like, I'm trying to read it, like, so the book is about System 1 and System 2 thinking, saying that System 1 is intuitive thinking, System 2 is concerted thinking, right? And the whole of the book is System 2, right? Because to read it, it's just taking so much effort, so much mental exertion to read it. It's very taxing to read the book. But I'm reading it, so for the last 90 minutes I've been reading the book. It's 6:30 now, finally. So I spent considerable amount of time since the podcast at 3, so 3.5 hours I spent. Now the show is at 9 o'clock. There's still 2.5 hours to go. So I think I'll walk a bit now because I had a matcha latte at this place called God Tea in Galleria, and I'm used to having shit with no sugar, but sugar has started to irritate me now. So since I've started avoiding it, I'm getting used to it. My palate, that's what you call it, right? Palate is getting used to no sugar. So I find it comfortable to have stuff without sugar now. So yeah, so I'm walking now. I think I'll walk for about half an hour. It'll be 7, there'll be 2 hours. Then I'll head to Guftugu. Maybe I'll sleep in the fucking office, right? I'll sleep in the office. Manan will be there, and if Vikas is there, he'll be uncomfortable to sleep. But if Manan is there, then Manan is a friend, so I'll be able to sleep. So 7:30, 7 o'clock I head there, 7:15. So that'll be 7:45 I reach, and after that, if I rest for half an hour, also there'll be 8:15. There'll be 45 minutes to spend after that. I'm not going home. I haven't gone home. I could have gone home and rested because again my sleep wasn't enough last night. But if I went home and rested, I would have become lazy and I'm in a rather read. So I'm glad I read. I generally don't get time to read. So I exerted myself. There's this term that Daniel Kahneman uses in the book called intellectual sloth, which basically he attributes to system one thinking. So basically he's saying when we are lazy to think about a problem, it's because that's intellectual sloth. So that's being intellectually lazy. We're not trying to exert effort, which is system 2 thinking. So we need to exert concerted effort for system 2. So I don't want to be guilty of intellectual sloth. I don't think in my life I've been guilty of intellectual sloth. So I'm quite a thinker that way. So cool. Now there's a generator sound. So hard to record a video in public, but now I'm used to it. Like the people watching me talking to the phone camera, nobody fucking says a thing because people are talking, people are on their videos, whatever. So now it's a thing now, right? Like people are talking to their phones, their video cameras or whatever. I'm recording a video for my vlog. So it's cool. So I think I'll walk a bit, then I'll go to Guptagoo. I'll rest a bit there hopefully, and then I'll do the 9 p.m. show. I'll come back, and then I'll try to sleep on time. I also have to decide what to have for dinner now because the last meal I had was kadhi chawal at 3 o'clock. So I'm yet undecided about what to have for dinner. We'll see. Cool. The show happens, we'll see. If the show doesn't happen, then I'll have very light dinner. If the show happens, I should still have very light dinner. Let's see. I'm in the weight post breakfast today in the morning was 59.5, which is very, very encouraging. Like because at the McDonald's breakfast, which is a muffin and chicken and egg and a hash brown and black tea, right? And after that, when I went back home to start for the podcast, I was 59.5. That's very encouraging. Cool. So try to be happy. Hey guys, good evening, whatever, good night, whatever it is. It's about 11:15. So it's a relatively early day review because last night I posted at post midnight. I had a great spot at a show, although the show started late, but I'm pretty happy with my spot. I made people laugh, crowd work is good, jokes worked, so all good. The schedule was topsy-turvy today because I was supposed to have a podcast. I mean, till morning, till about 3 o'clock, the day was going as per schedule. I recorded a podcast and that podcast will be out in some time, so whatever. So that I'm happy with. In the morning I did yoga and dance, that I'm happy with. But after 3 o'clock the schedule went topsy-turvy. We were supposed to have a meeting at 5 that got cancelled, and that just like messed up the schedule. So I was out for a while. I went to Galleria. I tried matcha latte for some time because I had to kill time. I had it without sugar, so I'm used to stuff without sugar now. Like I posted earlier, and after that I went for the show, so I had some food there, and before that I had to have lunch outside, so I had kadhi chawal somewhere, so whatever. But overall I think I managed the diet well, so I'm happy with that. But the schedule was all over the place. Overall I managed the day decently. But I've just to make up for the extra food today, I've hit about 23,000 steps. So I'm a jerk that way. So cool. I hope you're happy. Try to be happy. This is the end of the day, and good night. Bye.